GetResponse free versus paid plans. Which one should you choose? If you're trying to decide whether to stick with the free plan or upgrade, you need to know what you're actually getting and what you might be missing out on. But there's a catch most people don't realize, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether GetResponse is right for you, or if there's a better option. Let's break it down. The free plan gives you access to basic email marketing, a website builder, and landing pages. Sounds decent, right? But here's where things start to feel restrictive. You're limited to just 500 contacts, meaning if you're serious about growing an email list, you'll hit a wall pretty fast. No automation, no segmentation, and worst of all, no real conversion tools. Next, the first paid tier, called email marketing, removes some of those limits. You get up to 1,000 contacts, autoresponders, and basic segmentation. But weirdly, there's still no automation beyond the most basic sequences. If you want real automation, like workflows, tagging, and behavioral triggers, you're looking at the marketing automation plan, which jumps significantly in price. Then there's the e-commerce angle. If you want to run a store, GetResponse has basic tools, but the features are locked behind their higher tier plans. You'll need the e-commerce marketing plan just to get abandoned cart recovery, and at that point, you're paying as much as full-blown e-commerce platforms that do way more. Another thing, deliverability. While GetResponse is solid, some users report lower inbox placement rates compared to competitors. If your emails aren't reaching the inbox, it doesn't matter how many features you have. So, should you choose GetResponse free or paid? If you're just starting and need a basic email list, the free plan is okay, but it's not something you can scale with. The lower paid tiers feel limited, and once you hit the automation features, you're paying a lot more than you might expect. That's why, if you're looking for better email automation and higher deliverability without being forced into expensive upgrades, I've linked an alternative in the description. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, plus some extra perks you won't get anywhere else. Check it out below and let me know which email platform you think is the best.